Hey all, welcome to my channel that is Informatics Practices. This is Vani. In this channel, I'm going to cover the syllabus of Informatic Practices of CBSE of classes 11th and 12th. Compared to last year's syllabus, CBSE has been modified the syllabus slightly. As this is my first video, I will just discuss with you all about the contents in the syllabus. Your whole syllabus is divided into 5 units. So you can observe here Unit 1 Introduction to Computer System, Introduction to Python, Data Handling using NumPy, Database Concepts and the Structured Query Language, Introduction to the Emerging Trends. So these are the 5 units we are going to cover in your subject. So coming to the first unit, in this first unit you are going to learn about identify the components of the computer system, what is computer memory, types of memory, and about software purpose and its types. So these are the things you will learn in this unit. And coming to the unit 2, in this unit you will learn about the basic concepts of the Python language and how to create the Python programs using different data types, lists and dictionaries. And the third unit, that is data handling using NumPy. So in this chapter you will learn about what is data, how you can analyze the data using NumPy arrays. Okay, so these are some new concepts, so don't worry about it. We will see briefly when we learn about these chapters in detail. Fine. So so this is your fourth unit syllabus. So in this unit you will learn about database concepts and what is meant by relational database management system, that is RDBMS, and how to retrieve and manipulate data in RDBMS using SQL, that is structured query language. And this is the fifth unit syllabus. Here you will learn about the emerging trends in the fields of information technology. Fine. So I will start unit 1 in my next video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.